So what is up, guys? I thought I was done getting packages, but we just got 3 more. Alright guys, so we just got home again, and here we go. We got 3 boxes. Same guy sent them. Don't even know what's in here. So I think we'll do it this way. We'll open up this one first, then this one, and then this one. Alright guys, here we go with the first box. I honestly have no idea what these are. Now, I'm going to guess they're mixed 3 trucks. So this should be pretty interesting to say the least. Alright, so we got some bubble wrap. Alright, mixed 3. Let's see who it is. I'm going to put the phone down. Alright, so this is pretty cool. So these are definitely all mixed 3, I believe. It's pretty cool of him to send me basically every truck in mixed 3, I hope. I don't know. Wow, he really... Look at this. Like, this is insane, this bubble wrap. Alright. Completely unnecessary, but I like the thought. Alright, so can we guess who it is from looking on the back? Alright, we got Avenger, we got Dragon. Let's see. And the reveal... Alright. Brodozer. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we'll compare this in a later video to the current oh my god, Brodozer. Alright, so that's one box. Let's open that middle one. Alright, so far we got the Brodozer. Box number 2. No idea what this could be. This box is a little bigger, so that'd be cool if this is like the exclusive Gravedigger. I really want one of those, if you guys can tell. Alright, so... let's see what we got. Alright, so we got some packaging. And let's see if we can tell who it is from looking at just the back. So, eliminate Avenger, Brodozer. There's one truck I don't see on here, and it looks like Megalodon. Let's see if it is. Oh, man. Would you look at that? Wow, dude. Dude, I love the eye. I love the eye in that. That's pretty sick. Alright, so far we're off to a great start. Oh my god. Off to a great start these past couple days with Mixed 3. We already got 4 trucks. These are the 2 newest ones. And now, let's open up that last box. Alright, here it is, guys. The 3rd box. We got Brodozer, the Overcast Megalodon. And what could this be? Alright. So, looks like a truck right off the bat. Alright, so I just see all the little pieces in there and everything. Alright, so this one looks like it's in bubble wrap. Maybe not bubble wrap, but, you know. Alright, and can we play the guessing game? Let's see. It's not zombie. There's only 1 truck missing. And it is... oh man. The Silver Gravedigger. That's pretty sick. That is pretty sick. Alright. Aw, the flames don't go like the fire and ice one. So it looks like Spinmaster didn't fix that yet on this one. But wow. Dude, not bad. Not bad. We got 5 trucks out of the, Here we go with that. And Avenger is somewhere. I'm not too sure where Avenger is. It's actually over here. Alright, so not bad, guys. We got the first 2 trucks right here. And we were able to get these. So we got 5 out of, I think, what, the 8 or 9 mixed 3 trucks. So that's pretty cool. So thank you so much for sending these my way. And I'll see you guys in the next video.